Alright guys, today we're testing something seriously cool. This is the Xtra Sphra 360 camera, a true 8K 360 next level camera with 1-inch sensor equivalent. I'm gonna strap it onto the Supra, try some crazy day and night angles and see if this thing actually worth it. Let's jump in. Okay, and this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the new Xtra Sphra 360. This is a 360 camera, so it records 8K panoramic video. It has a 1-inch sensor. It takes 100 megapixel resolution pictures. It has 128 gigabytes built-in storage. It has a bullet time option and is compatible with a lot of accessories. It comes with a pouch to store the camera. That's cool. It comes with 2 lens guards, the battery, cool. Cable, USB-C to USB-C to charge it, quick guide, the instructions, how to use it, and the camera. Look at this. Man, amazing. So it has a display on the front, the recording button, menu button, the lens on the front, lens on the back, nothing here. It has a mic here, 2 holes for 2 mics, and a light from beside the power button. And this one, you go to the left, to the right, and then down, USB-C connection. In the other side, to the right and down to put the battery. And it has the slot for the micro SD card in there to expand the storage. On the bottom has this that clips to the clips and a screw to hold the camera. Cool. So it's amazing. So let's test it out. Let's put the battery. So like this and down. And then the battery goes like this. And then let me charge it. So let's charge it and then let's see how it works. So this is everything that comes inside the box. So the first thing is to put the mount on the car like I'm doing here. Right now I'm using this mount and it has a suction cup mount and extension. This one. So this one, it has this button to attach it to the windshield. This one is super stiff and it has this clip to make it tighter like this, and this screws. Okay, and the most important thing about this one, it has these 2 extensions, is that it has a 1/4 inch thread. So mounting this thing is actually super simple. It uses a 1/4 inch thread and a magnetic quick release, which means all your GoPro, Insta360 and DJI mounts, they work. So you don't need to buy a whole new set of accessories. Lock it in, tighten it in, and boom, ready to roll. Alright, daytime test. This is where the Sphra 360 flexes that custom 1-inch square sensor. First, the dynamic range. Look at the sky and the reflection on the Supra. Nothing is blown out and nothing is muddy. And this right here, drone style shots without a drone. The invisible selfie stick is doing magic. Shadow details still crisp. You can see every lift and even the texture of the road. this is a bonus tip for those that ask, how do I record the audio of the Supra? I put the camera on the bumper on the back and I record a separate video, and when I edit the video I place the audio and it sounds amazing. Now this is where 360 cameras usually fall apart. But look at this. These 2.4 pixels are huge for action cameras. The signs are readable, the Supra reflection look clean, and the noise is super controlled. Honestly, I'm impressed. Alright, and this is the list of the best features. You can check them out here. Alright, so after testing this thing all day, here's my honest take. If you shoot cars, travel, POV stuff, or want the easiest set it and forget it camera that captures everything in 8K, this is a solid upgrade. The footage is sharp, the dynamic range surprised me, and the low light performance is honestly better than I expected. And the fact that it works with all my mounts that I already own, that's a huge win. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the Xtra Sphra360 camera link down below. Thanks for watching, like the video if you like it, drop a comment with your favorite shot from today, and subscribe for more cool gadgets reviews. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next one.